under the neon glow of Tokyo streets, where the city never sleeps and the skyline is a sea of shifting greys, a legend is born every night. This is where the restless meet, where the engine roars challenge the silence of the night and tires burn against the cold concrete. Tonight, I'm capturing a moment of that chaos, a glimpse of a blood-red beast tearing through the monochrome city, leaving a trail of fury and smoke. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a rebellion against the mundane. The car I'm painting, vibrant and defiant, rips through the canvas, its crimson silhouette slicing through the fog like a predator on the prowl. Each brush stroke, each mark is an expression of speed, a blur that bends the laws of reality. As I paint, I imagine the driver, a lone wolf in the urban jungle, hands gripping the wheel, eyes locked on the road, heart pounding to the rhythm of 8,000 revs per minute. It's a dance with danger, an addiction to adrenolin that only those who've tasted the rush can understand. Street racing in Japan is a culture of its own, a subculture hidden in plain sight. It's a world of honor and defiance, of unspoken rules and rivalries that stretch back decades. Each night, racers push their machines to the limit, chasing not just victory, but the pure, unfiltered thrill of speed. And then there's the drifting, a graceful yet violent ballet, where control teeters on the edge of chaos. It's about finding that perfect balance, letting the car's back end swing out while keeping it just shy of a crash. With each pass of the knife, I'm shaping the car. Then the city, a backdrop of greys and shadows that loom over the scarlet racer like a silent onlooker. Skyscrapers, highways, and alleyways melt together, creating a sense of depth and motion. The car is the only vibrant pulse in this world of steel and concrete, a symbol of rebellion against the monotony of urban life. And those streaks of light, those blurred reflections, they're not just lights, they're the echoes of past races, of victories and losses, of near misses and triumphs. As I carve out the red curves of the car, I'm thinking about the drivers who've made these streets their playground. They're not just thrill seekers. They're artists in their own right, sculpting the night with tire marks and burning rubber. They live for that split second when time seems to stop. When the world fades away and there's nothing but the roar of the engine and the blur of the city lights. It's not just about winning. It's about transcending the ordinary, about feeling truly alive. Tokyo's underground racing scene is as mysterious as it is exhilarating. For those who have never witnessed it, it's a hidden symphony of speed and danger. Cops are a constant threat, but that's part of the thrill. They're not just racing rivals. You're racing against the system, against a society that doesn't understand the allure of this midnight sport. And in the end, it's not just about who's fastest, but who has the guts to keep coming back night after night. The Kanyo-zoku is a group of street racers in Osaka who specialize in racing Osaka's Kenjo Loop, a high-speed expressway encircling the city. They are known for their highly modified Honda Civics, weaving through traffic at dangerous speeds, often evading police in high-stakes chases. Kanyo-zoku emphasize precision driving and control. Their races a thrilling and dangerous spectacle. The Shuto Expressway is a network of highways weaving through Tokyo with sharp curves and narrow lanes. Races here often involve high-powered cars like the Nissan Skyline, GTR, Toyota Supra and Mazda RX-7. Illegal street racing is extremely dangerous, not just for the drivers, but for bystanders as well. There have been numerous fatal accidents over the years, often involving innocent drivers or pedestrians, caught in the wrong place at the wrong time. As I add the final loose expressive touches, I'm reminded that, like the racers themselves, the car is more than just a blur in the night. It's a symbol of unyielding spirit, of the courage to embrace the unknown, and the drive to leave a mark that will never be forgotten.